Use current photos that are less than 6 months old that show your current haircut, hair color, facial hair, general sense of your wardrobe, your height, your weight, how fit you are. Use current photos. Use solo shots of yourself, not group photos, not pictures with your buddies, not pictures with other women, not pictures of you in a group family photo. Solo shots. Every shot on your profile should just be you in the picture. Use a variety of photos, but definitely close-up ones that show what you really look like. Don't hide behind sunglasses and props and hats or have photos that are super far away or blurry or hard to see. You want photos that look good and it can clearly, easily tell who you are and what you're about. Use your photos to showcase many of your interests. If you're an outdoorsman or you're a sports guy or you're into science or all the things, you should have a variety of photos that show the types of activities that you love doing that you might want to do with your new sweetie. If you play musical instruments, show a shot with your instrument. If you're an artist, show a shot with your art. If you're a builder, show a construction shot. If you're a handyman, show us what you can fix. What photos should you avoid? Photos with your kids, photos holding dead animals. Don't do it. You can mention that you have children, that's important, but don't put pictures of your kids on your dating profile. And ladies honestly don't want to see a dead deer or a dead fish, so just don't do it. Get a cute shot of you on the boat, absolutely. Show her that you're a fisherman without showing her a dead fish. Get professional portraits done. It's totally worth it. You're gonna get way better matches if you have a photographer come and do a photo shoot with you, showcasing some of your hobbies, some of your interests, a couple different outfits, showcasing your style. It's great to have at least one photo where you're dressed nicely. It doesn't have to be a tuxedo, but at least a collared shirt. We wanna see a variety of your lifestyle and what you look like from casual to dressed up. And those professional shots really make a difference. Everyone is discerning based on looks and appearance, and you want to look your absolute best to snag the best woman out there for you. When writing your profile, state what you're seeking, what you're looking for, what you want to attract and call in, what makes you feel good. Be really clear about it. That's the best way to do law of attraction, is to state what you're looking for, and then she can come find you. Share your top 3 activities that you love doing that you also want to do with your sweetie. Call her in, law of attraction, babe. Tell her what you love to do and that you want to take her out to do these things as well. Share your travel goals and travel interests to see if there's someone out there who has similar travel goals as you so you can be travel buddies. Name your top 3 values to attract an aligned partner who's going to line up with those values as well. Values are really important for the long haul. Pick 2 deal breakers at the beginning of your dating process and go ahead and share what those deal breakers are. Let's go ahead and deter and send away the people who really are not a good fit. But you don't get endless deal breakers, just pick 2. Are there a couple of non-negotiables, things that are really important and special that will really make you light up if your partner has these qualities or interests? Go ahead and pick a couple non-negotiables and share those on your profile as well. These are very personal to each person, so you got to do a little bit of brainstorming to figure out what are your non-negotiables. Pay for the apps you're using. You're going to get better quality matches and it's just going to be easier and make the process faster and easier if you just pay for the app. Have fun with this process. Use humor. Enjoy this. Your energy carries right through your profile. So if you're a fun-loving guy who uses a little bit of humor in your profile, it's going to go a long way with the ladies. Keep it positive by focusing on the things you are looking for versus the things you aren't. It's okay to include those couple deal breakers, but in general, you want to share all the things you're looking for in this ideal person that you want to connect with and spend your life together with. So keep it positive.